Hi everybody, welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Today, we'll talk about modern wood paneling design. Hopefully, the pictures presented will provide inspiration for all of you. Let's just get started. Modern wood paneling is a great way to add character, texture and warmth to any room in your home. Whether you're looking to update a single room or your entire house, incorporating modern wood paneling can be a stylish and effective solution. With its natural beauty and versatility, modern wood paneling is an excellent way to elevate your space and create a warm and inviting atmosphere. One of the benefits of modern wood paneling is that it comes in a variety of styles and finishes. From traditional knotty pine to sleek, contemporary designs, there's a wood paneling option to suit every taste and budget. When choosing modern wood paneling, it's important to consider the existing design elements of your room, including the colors, textures, and overall style. This will help you select a paneling style that complements your existing decor and enhances the overall look of your space. Another advantage of modern wood paneling is that it's relatively easy to install. For those who are handy, many modern wood paneling products can be easily installed as a DIY project. However, if you're not comfortable with DIY installation, many professional contractors are available to help with the installation process. When installing modern wood paneling, it's important to ensure that the surface is clean and level. The panels should be properly aligned and securely attached to the wall to ensure a smooth, seamless look. It's also important to use the correct adhesives and fasteners to ensure that the paneling remains secure and stable over time. In addition to its beauty and ease of installation, modern wood paneling is also a great investment. Unlike other home improvement projects, wood paneling can add value to your home and enhance its overall market appeal. In addition, modern wood paneling is highly durable and can be easily maintained over time, making it a great choice for those looking for a long-lasting and low-maintenance solution. One of the most popular styles of modern wood paneling is shiplap. Shiplap is a type of tongue and groove paneling that is made from thin, overlapping wooden boards. This type of paneling is easy to install, and is a great option for those who are looking for a rustic, farmhouse-style look. Another popular style of modern wood paneling is the knotty pine paneling. This type of paneling is made from rough sawn pine and is ideal for those who are looking for a warm, natural look. Modern wood paneling is an excellent way to add warmth, texture and style to any room in your home. With its natural beauty, versatility, and ease of installation, modern wood paneling is a great investment that can elevate your space and enhance your overall quality of life. Whether you're looking to update a single room or your entire house, modern wood paneling is a great choice that's sure to bring you years of enjoyment and satisfaction. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video helps you to make a modern wood paneling design for your home. Thank you.